Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico, where one of the largest concentrations of American and Canadian expats reside in the world. Lake Chapala is the largest lake in Mexico and it's less than an hour's drive from Guadalajara, which is the second largest city in Mexico. It's also a 20 to 30 minute drive from the Guadalajara International Airport. The weather is an average of 75 degrees year round. And this whole place is so lush. You can literally grow anything in your backyard. Anything, if you catch my drift. The typical theme of my YouTube channel is touring properties in the Lake Chapala area. I'll do anywhere from 3 to 4 properties per video. So if you're looking to see more content, go check out my previous videos for more property tours. This specific video is touring properties from $100,000 to $200,000. We're touring 3 properties today, starting from the most expensive to the least expensive. This first one is priced just a little over $200,000, but there's always room for negotiation. Let's go on tour.
Sal de tu nido, paloma linda.
Alrighty, this home is listed at $205,000 US or 274,000 Canadian dollars or 3,550,000 Mexican pesos. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. The construction size is 128 square meters or 1,378 square feet. Your lot size is 146 square meters or 1,572 square feet. Your HOA is 13,500 pesos per quarter. It does not come furnished because it is a new build. Your location is Nuevo, Chapala.
Cree en tu fuerza, paloma linda, el cielo te va a cuidar. Cuando no salga el sol, mi paloma, tu propia luz te va a guiar. Anda y prueba tus alas bonitas, sin que el temor te limite. Vuela, paloma, tan libre como la vida, no dudes que siempre amanece, que amanecerá. Paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda.
Here is the first home on our tour today. If we zoom out, you will see that it is located in Chapala Centro. If you're doing your grocery shopping, you'll probably go right here to Soriana. Really good grocery store. You can even walk on down to the Malecon, which is my favorite Malecon in all of Mexico. And if we go over to this map, you'll see that if you were to drive to Ajijic, let's say our bed and breakfast, that's Estrellitas, it's located right in Ajijic Centro. It's about a 20-minute drive on Tuesday at 4 p.m. If we go over to our next map, you'll see that driving from here to the airport, Guadalajara International Airport, it's about a 30-minute drive. If we were to go into Guadalajara, let's say Plaza Galerías in Guadalajara, there's a lot of shopping that you can do there. You can buy home decor, things like that. And then Costco is located right across the street from this mall. And that's about a 1-hour drive on a Tuesday at 4 p.m. This second home on our tour today is located in Chapala Centro. It's very close to a school, very close to shopping, dining, and just a few blocks away from the Malecon of Chapala, which is honestly one of my favorite Malecons in all of Mexico. Let's go see it. The second home on our tour today is listed at $191,000 US or 255,000 Canadian dollars or 3,300,000 Mexican pesos. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Your construction size is 209 square meters or 2,250 square feet. Your lot size is 119 square meters or 1,281 square feet. There is no HOA. It comes partially furnished, and it is located in Chapala Centro. Here is the development for house number 2 on our tour. There are several units in this complex for sale. So if we zoom out of here, this area here is Nuevo Chapala. So if we zoom out a little bit, you'll see that here is pretty much Chapala Centro, and your Malecón is down here. Now, if we skip over to this map here, you'll see that driving from Las Pergolas is a 20-minute drive to Ajijic Centro. Switching over here, it's about the same as the last house. So driving from Las Pergolas to the airport is a 30-minute drive, and then driving from Las Pergolas to Plaza Galerías in Guadalajara is about a 1-hour drive, and you've got Costco right there and everything too. Okay guys, this third property on our tour today is my favorite. When I saw this, I was like, I need to buy that right now. It's super cute, and it kind of reminds me of like a New York loft, you know? Before I take you on this last tour, I just want to give you a reminder. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, because I love chatting with you guys. Also, please remember to check out my website, therealamandaturner.com. On my website, you can access our bed and breakfast in Ajijic Centro. You can also access our cafe, where we roast organic, naturally processed coffee, and check out the MLS for the area. Without further ado, let's go on our final tour. Third and final home on our tour today, and my personal favorite, is listed at $145,000 US, or 193,000 Canadian dollars, or 2,500,000 Mexican pesos. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Construction size is 132 square meters, or 1,421 square feet. Your lot size is 48 square meters, or 517 square feet. The HOA is 300 pesos per month. It does not come furnished because it is a new build, and it is located in Chapala Centro. House number 3 on our tour today is located right here in Chapala Centro. And if we zoom out, you'll see that we are pretty much in the center of town, and your Malecón is down here. It's pretty much the same thing as it was for the first listing on our tour today. If we go over to this map here, if we were to go into Ajijic Centro, it's a 20-minute drive. I also wanted to point something out here, that when you're driving from this location to Ajijic Centro, This is telling you to go up and take the bypass into Ajijic because apparently traffic through here is pretty busy at this time of day, Tuesday at 4 p.m. So yeah, that's just something to keep in mind, that sometimes it's a little better to just go up here and take the bypass rather than taking the main highway through town. And if we were to go to the airport, 30-minute drive. And if we were to go into Guadalajara, Plaza Galerías, where Costco is, and you can do all kinds of home shopping, it's about an hour drive. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I hope it gave you some insight into properties in the Lake Chapala area, whether you're looking to buy or sell. If you are looking to buy or sell, please email me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com, or if you just have general questions about the area or these specific homes in this video. Until next time, bye.